Hi, I'm Dar with Helia, and today we're going to be unboxing a product from Vtech. Now this is a Vtech desk phone, mid-grade, and it's called the VSP725 desk phone. And if you've seen some of our other videos, you know that this is a product that we really like. We think that Vtech hit the nail on the head with this product. So let's have a look what's in the box. Okay, so this is the Vtech VSP725 Eris terminal. You can see the barcode and serial number, MAC address on the top, customer service number on the bottom. Let's open this up. So again, a label with the serial number. This is the handset. Here's the phone itself. The owner's manual. Okay, so this, we've got the handset cord. This is the bracket for desk. Okay, and this is unique. Comes with a power supply. Most phones, business grade phones, don't come with a power supply anymore. We've got a pretty decent looking network cable. And then we've got line cards with some stickers as well. So there you have it. That's the Vtech VSP725 phone. If you'd like more information, visit us on our website at www.buyphonesonline.ca or on our phone system site at www.office-phone-systems.ca. Thanks for watching.